In this video, we're going to be talking about how to enable advanced security settings on Instagram. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of things you can go ahead and do so. So first is going to be enabling two-factor authentication, which is essential. Click on your profile icon, click on the top right triple lines menu. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and head into Account Center. And here you want to click on Password and Security and click on Advanced Protection. But before that, you can also click on two-factor authentication and turn this on. Once you've done that, just head into advanced protection and go ahead and get started with this as well, right? This is going to be the second thing you can go ahead and do so. Now, the final thing you want to simply go ahead and do is going to be running a security check. And you can do that again inside of passwords and security and then heading into security checkup. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.